Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. So firstly, let's go to the Start menu, then select Settings, then select Update and Security section, and right here you'll have to tap on this Check for Updates button and let your device check if there are any updates available. Also make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or just some network that lets you access the internet. And once your device detects some updates, wait for them to install, download and install, and in some cases you might also have to restart your device afterwards. This page will tell you to do so if you have to. And so basically that's how you update your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.